News, rumors and opinions Tuesday, May 13, 2025. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Note: all intel should be considered as rumors until we receive official announcements, and rates and dates could change anytime until we get to the banks, redemption centers. RV excerpts from the Restored Republic via a GCR. Update as of Tuesday, the 13th of May 2025. Compiled Tuesday, the 13th of May 2025, 12:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time by Judy Byington. Global currency reset. Rumors, reliable sources confirm that money has already, allegedly, begun to circulate discreetly through the global network. On Monday, the 5th of May, bondholders, allegedly, received liquidity under strict non-disclosure agreements, NDAs. Meanwhile, the dinar and the dong are being, allegedly, traded on Middle Eastern corridors, in an undisclosed but very real manner, MON. The 12th of May, allegedly, marked the ignition point. From this moment on, the quantum financial system begins synchronization. Layer Tier 4B notifications. We, the Internet Group, are ready. Everything is set. The channels are secure. The next step is delivery. The following events are expected between MON. The 12th of May 12 and Wednesday the 14th of May. Activation of the emergency broadcast system on phones, direct access via email or portal with instructions to schedule an exchange. Confirmation discreetly posted to select VR intelligence centers. After notification, you will have 10 days to schedule your appointment and until May 31st to complete it. Only redemption centers can process ZIM bonds. Redemption centers offer enhanced sovereign rates. Regular bank exchanges will be limited and will yield lower market rates. All ZIM redemptions end on Saturday, May 31st. After this period, ZIM will no longer be eligible and redeemable. Only basic currency exchanges will be possible. This is not speculation. This is the schedule. This is the protocol. The system is live. The movement has begun. The silence is intentional. Prepare calmly. Observe carefully. From here everything accelerates. Your time is approaching. Instructions will come to you. What we think we know as of Tuesday, the 13th of May 2025, MON. The 12th of May 2025, Fox News. The Patriot Wealth Reset has begun. The first ever gold asset Bitcoin-backed bills are here. Not digital. Not theory. Real, physical money, allegedly, signed and announced by Trump himself. Last 7 days and then the door slams shut. Possible timing. Fry. The 9th of May 2025. Operation Sandman was, allegedly, in effect, a collaboration of 100 nations to simultaneously sell off their U.S. holdings in order to collapse the U.S. dollar. Global currency reset. MON. The 12th of May 2025. Iran will drop 4 zeros from its national currency, the rial, and rename it the toman, hinting at an RV. At Melanastasia Romanov, Operation Sandman has been activated. Over 100 nations just began dumping U.S. treasuries in a synchronized assault to collapse the dollar and break the deep state's financial stranglehold. Frank 26, Iraq boots on the ground report. Firefly Television says from the United States of America that 46 business leaders from Iraq, including Kurdistan, will be attending a conference in the United States of America from the 11th to the 14th. This is pretty interesting. These are some of the most. Some text goes here: do you think any American businessman wants to deal with 1310? Of course not. All of this is signs pointing in one direction, that you are the prettiest. Emphasize the key takeaway of this section. Some text goes here: when do you think they're ever going to release the new exchange rate? Aki. Of course they have a date. Why do you think I'm here, in Michigan, US? Walking stick. Why don't you tell me? Aki. You know I'm here to collect the 30 notes. This is what I have been assigned to do. I am not to give out lower notes. Walking tick. He's going to help the Middle Easterners in his Michigan area and in the East Coast of the United States, US. Consumer is breaking down. Markets just don't see it yet. Stephanie Pomboy Kitco. Kitco News. The 12th of May 2025. Will the $1 trillion corporate debt wall crash the stock market in 2025? Wall Street is cheering a 90-day tariff truce between the US and China, but Stephanie Pomboy says the real crisis is just beginning. The Macro Mavens founder warns that a $1 trillion corporate debt wall is about to hit, credit delinquencies are surging, and the Treasury still has no plan to finance its deficits. As markets rally, Pomboy says the Fed is trapped, the consumer is maxed out, and a deeper economic reset is unavoidable. Key topics. 10-year Treasury yield as the most critical macro signal U.S. consumer. And corporate credit distress, why Pomboy is still buying gold, and not buying stocks. Fed's political paralysis and looming policy error, the economic implications of deglobalization and trade reset. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: Dinar Recaps.